According to the 2005 National Electrical Code, when installing a tankless water heater with specific electrical requirements, such as 340 amps 240 volts breakers, several factors must be considered to ensure code compliance, particularly in a combined laundry and bathroom setting. Firstly, regarding the disconnects, yes, 3 separate, lockable, interlocking disconnects are needed. Section 422.31. B4 addresses and grounded conductors, clarifying that the disconnect must be lockable. Secondly, Section 422.31. C mandates that if the disconnects are not within sight of the equipment, they must be interlocked. Article 100 defines interlock as the mechanical linkage of disconnect devices, actuated by a single operating handle, which prevents independent operation of the devices. This ensures that all power sources to the tankless water heater can be safely and simultaneously disconnected for maintenance or emergencies. Thirdly, marking is also required. Section 422.31. F stipulates that each disconnect must be legibly marked to clearly indicate its purpose, and such marking must be in accordance with Article 110, which outlines the requirements for electrical markings. Now, addressing the 120 volts outlet for the washing machine, since it is located in the bathroom, it must be GFCI protected. However, no, there are no GFCI requirements for the 240 volts outlet for the dryer if the dryer is not in the bathroom area. Section 210.8. A3 states that receptacles installed within bathrooms shall be protected by a GFCI, except those receptacles in bathroom areas that are not part of the bathroom. Since the dryer is not in the bathroom area, GFCI protection is not required. However, it is still advisable to ensure that the 240 volts outlet meets all other applicable electrical codes and safety standards. Regarding GFCI requirements for the tankless water heater itself, there are no GFCI requirements for the tankless water heater. Section 422.16 states that equipment in bathrooms shall be GFCI protected. However, the water heater is not considered equipment, and therefore does not need GFCI protection. In summary, the installation requires 3 separate, lockable, and interlocked disconnects with proper markings. The 120 volts receptacle in the bathroom area needs GFCI protection, but the 240 volts receptacle does not. Also, no GFCI protection is required for the tankless water heater.